Guys, welcome back to another video with me, 0x Bonnie, and Goldie gonna join. And what is happening in here?
Wait a second. Okay, here we go.
And why looks like my connection is interrupted? There is a zombie. A lot of zombies.
Woo-wee.
Wait,
Classic VIP.
you got it?
Yeah, classic VIP.
And
Zombie, get out of my way.
wait, I need to kill me. I think I have something. Okay, what is happening here?
Okay, guys, I'm back. I forgot to click the recording button. Silly me.
Okay guys, I will have to joining or kill myself in here cause I think there is a trouble. Wait for a minute.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go to.
Okay guys, I'm back.
Island.
So what is happening now? Oh my god.
Okay, go to the Breeze Island.
Okay, I'm going. Wait for a minute. That zombie interrupted.
Okay, go.
I'm trying as fast as I could, Goldie.
Oh, shut up. Okay, wait, I'm gonna pause it, guys.
Okay guys, we are going to pause our videos and recording. Be back after the game is started. Okay guys, so basically I'm back in the right time.
Okay, let's do this.
Are you already start recording or not?
I already started recording.
Really?
Yep. Whoa. What's happening?
What is happening?
Okay, we need to go.
Where are you?
Just follow me.
I cannot. What is happening? Oh, I see you. I'm coming.
Ooh.
Okay, so what is happening?
Oh no. But we gotta run quick.
Oh,
no.
are we got
Oh no.
interrupted?
Woo! Help me!
I don't see. Where is? Hey!
What?
I'm hiding in a cave.
Okay. Good for you.
Hey!
Oh no! No! He's gonna kill me! No!
I'm still hiding. Hey! Give me. I can.
No. Don't worry.
I see you. Look. See?
No problem. I just wanna get out from this mess.
Oh no, that's.
Okay, you're dead. Sorry, man.
Whoa. Okay guys, so I'm back and looks like my kids today is Archer. That's good.
Okay, guys.
And today I have to run.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna
Zone.
just
Join the zone.
Just let me speak. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Leave a like and comment, subscribe to my channel, and Zerg's Bonnie too. Goodbye.
Come on, there's zombies.
Wait.
Okay guys, we'll be back after it's. Okay guys, so I'm back and it's really peaceful. There is not a zombie in there.
No, it's not. There's a clone of me.
Where? I don't see it.
VIP clone of me.
No, that VIP is a thief. Or you can say for a noob.
No, it's not.
Yeah? Yeah, is it?
He's just pretending, bro. He's smart.
He's.
Not like us.
I already killed two VIP.
Never mind. Okay, let's do this.
Okay guys. So let's getting some armor.
Okay, guys, keep in mind, Zero is recording, not me. Okay.
Wait, where it is? Okay, I got some 1 iron and not very much have food.
I.
Hey, come on, let's run quickly.
I'm gonna kill someone.
Good, I have a snacks.
Oh no, not like this again. No.
We were already killing.
Ow. Boom.
Okay, good. So let's just
Can't
go.
see anything.
There is
Whoa.
a bug. Just follow me. Oh, you can see me.
I cannot see anything.
Oh, okay, you just can see in my screen, so you can follow me.
All I see is the floating axe.
Yeah, that's me. Okay, I saw somebody.
I cannot move.
I think he is in
This
there.
man broke my freaking. Ah!
Ooh,
I quit. See you later, guys.
really? Oh my god. Okay, so Goldie is quit, so I'm going to start. Wait, what is it? What is happening? Hey, wait, what? I kill Goldie? What? It said I kill you, but I didn't kill you.
Wait, what? Check it.
Oh, that's why I got your iron axe.
No, it's not.
Maybe that's why your screen is broken.
No, it's because the map. The map broke my freaking.
Wait,
phone.
what? No. Okay, guys, I'm going to end it here. I think lifeboat is broken. So, yeah. Bye, guys.